9 foods that melt belly fat faster than working out. Weight loss. Did you know that some foods can melt belly fat even faster than hitting the gym? Imagine swapping out hours of cardio for the right snacks and meals. Sounds too good to be true, right? Belly fat, especially around the lower abdomen, is stubborn and often the hardest to lose. It's not just about fitting into your favorite pair of jeans. Excess belly fat is linked to health risks like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. While exercise is vital, research shows that diet plays an even more significant role in trimming down that waistline. Today, we'll explore 9 foods that help you lose belly fat faster than any workout routine. 1. Avocados. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the kind that actually burns fat rather than storing it. They're also loaded with fiber, keeping you full longer and preventing the urge to snack on unhealthy options. Include avocados in your breakfast foods to eat to lose belly fat, whether on toast or in a smoothie, for a delicious and filling start to your day. Pro tip: try half an avocado with some lemon juice and a pinch of salt for a quick, belly fat busting snack. 2. Green tea. Known for its fat burning properties, green tea contains catechins, antioxidants that can speed up metabolism and increase fat burning, especially around the belly. Make it part of your daily routine by swapping out sugary drinks for a cup of green tea. It's an easy and effective way to burn lower belly fat without adding extra calories. Personal story: a friend of mine started drinking green tea every morning, and within a month, she noticed her lower belly felt flatter and her jeans fit more comfortably. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent breakfast food to eat to lose belly fat. It's high in protein, which helps keep hunger at bay, and contains probiotics, which support a healthy gut. A balanced gut can contribute to reduced bloating, making your belly appear flatter. Pro tip: opt for unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fresh berries or a teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness. 4. Berries. Speaking of berries, these tiny fruits are loaded with fiber and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support weight loss. They can even regulate blood sugar levels, which prevents fat storage in the belly area. Add them to your smoothies, yogurt, or salads to boost your meals with natural fat-fighting power. 5. Oatmeal. If you're looking for a satisfying and belly fat reducing breakfast, oatmeal is your go-to. It's a great source of soluble fiber, which can slow digestion and keep you fuller longer. Plus, studies show that soluble fiber can target visceral belly fat specifically. Pro tip: add a sprinkle of cinnamon to your oatmeal. It's known to help stabilize blood sugar and may aid in reducing belly fat. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds and seeds such as chia are not only rich in healthy fats but also full of protein and fiber. Eating a small handful of nuts as a snack can help curb your appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. The healthy fats in nuts can specifically help melt belly fat and keep your metabolism running efficiently. 7. Eggs. High in protein and low in calories, eggs are an ideal breakfast food to eat to lose belly fat. They help boost metabolism, and the high protein content supports muscle building, which can further help burn fat. Eggs also contain essential nutrients like choline, which is linked to fat metabolism. 8. Leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and other leafy greens are low in calories and packed with nutrients. They provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals while helping to reduce water retention. Adding more greens to your diet can help you feel full longer and make it easier to cut down on higher calorie foods. Practical tip: start each meal with a small salad to reduce the chance of overeating. It's an easy way to fill up on the good stuff before diving into more calorie-dense dishes. 9. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. While it's not a food per se, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet can support weight loss and help reduce belly fat. ACV has been shown to suppress appetite and decrease blood sugar levels. Try adding a tablespoon to a glass of water before meals to see the benefits. Personal story: after I started drinking ACV daily, I noticed not only a decrease in belly fat, but also better digestion and fewer cravings throughout the day. Foods to stay away from. Now that we've covered the foods that help lose belly fat, it's equally important to know which foods to avoid. Sugary drinks, refined carbs, and trans fats are some of the biggest offenders when it comes to storing excess fat around your midsection. Cut these out, and you'll be surprised at how much easier it becomes to shed those stubborn pounds. So, there you have it: 9 foods that melt belly fat faster than working out. Remember, it's not just about exercise. What you eat makes a big difference. Incorporating avocados, green tea, Greek yogurt, berries, oatmeal, nuts, eggs, leafy greens, and apple cider vinegar into your diet can accelerate your journey to a flatter belly. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical health and wellness advice. And let me know in the comments, which food are you most excited to try adding to your diet? Losing belly fat doesn't have to be a struggle. With the right foods and a balanced approach, you can get closer to your goals and feel great along the way. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.